everyone! So for this project, we're going to be working with shutter speeds. So you want to have a subject that is moving at a continuous speed. So a fountain like this works because it's just a continuous speed. But like, let's say if you tried doing cars, they could be driving at different speeds. So you're not going to get as good of an idea of what the different shutter speeds are going to be showing. So this is going to work out perfectly. Now, as you can see, there's like some signs and stuff around. And one of the important things to remember about photography is that it only matters what you can see in the camera. So how I have my camera set up now, these signs are not in the picture at all. There's one way in the back there, but I actually have part of the fountain covering it up. I moved around, got down, got low, found that angle so I could find a good composition, a good photo. So I'm gonna start off with my, I wanted to start off with my fastest shutter speed. Now I realize that not everyone's gonna have the same range in shutter speeds. Mine goes up to 1/8,000th of a second. So what I decided to do was, because I know I have a really fast shutter speed, I'm gonna start off with my largest aperture. So I went ahead and did that with this lens right now, where it's zoomed in at, because it's a variable lens, a variable aperture lens. I have it set at 4.5, and I believe 1/4000th of a second at ISO 100. So I'm going to go ahead and take a photo, and then I'm going to do the same thing I did with the aperture project, where I'm going to make my shutter speed slower by a stop by turning my dial 3 times. And then, because I'm letting more light in with my shutter speed, I'm going to make my aperture smaller by 3 turns or 1 stop. Okay, so I'm going to take some photos.